I just sneezed. That hurt so much. Oh man. Man. It hurts to talk. Trusting that the pain will pass. Miracles will happen for me and for many people through me. From God. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Well, that's a good experience. Oh man. That's a painful sneeze. Why am I recording this? I'm recording the journey to full. All the healing is already here in my heart and mind. Oh. But the healing in the body, it'll come. Whew. Breathing. Breathing hurts. So, just presence. Oh. 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 E3 here, wishing you well. May miracles come through me to you, through you to many people. Oh. Oh man.